Thank you for joining us for YouTube. Why don't you tell us how long you've been locked so far?
I heard been locked since November of last year. It is now August, the end of August, going to September.
Oops. Okay, so August going into September. Tell us how you like your locks so far. Like, talk to me. You know, you like the ease of them. What's up? I heard you. Go ahead.
I love them. They, growing in good. I've been wanting to grow them since I was in high school. And they're going great. And it's coming along the way I like it. It's growing healthy. Great.
Yeah, Mark, you remember we were having a dandruff issue in one of those in a video a long time ago, but you bought some shampoo that helped your dandruff. You know what kind it was called, so I can let the people know?
It's called Well at Walgreens.
Well?
It's like 1% saline sodium. It helps with dermatitis, dandruff, and another word I forgot.
Okay. It helped you out.
It smoothed my hair out. Took away the dandruff, the little dry spot, and it does great. I recommend it.
Perfect. So Mark, since you've been having a good time, I want to thank you for commenting on this stuff. Thank you.
No problem.